Hello, for today's video is how to make a video call on WhatsApp. Video calling lets you video call your contacts using WhatsApp. So to do that, let's go to WhatsApp app. Then to make a video call, you can tap the contact you wanted to video call and then just press the video call on the upper right corner. Then just press call. Next is to receive a video call. If your phone is locked, you'll see an incoming WhatsApp video call screen when someone video calls you. Let's try. Just swipe up to accept. You can also swipe up to reply and to decline the call with a quick message. And if your phone is unlocked, you'll see an incoming video call pop up when someone video calls you, where you can tap decline or answer. While on video call, you can tap video off, which will notify the contact you're video calling. Once the contact turns their video off, the call will be switched to voice call. Make sure you and your contacts have strong internet connection when placing or receiving group video calls. The quality of the video call will depend on the contact with the weakest connection. Video calling is only available on Android phones running 4.1 or newer. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!